At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A metabolic age chart is a tool used to evaluate your body's metabolic health by comparing your basal metabolic rate, or BMR, the number of calories your body uses at rest, to the average BMR of various age groups. This helps determine how your body's energy expenditure aligns with typical age ranges, reflecting how young or old your metabolism is relative to your actual age. BMR is influenced by muscle mass, fat levels, and physical activity. Since muscle burns more calories than fat, people with more muscle typically have higher BMRs and therefore younger metabolic ages. There are two primary methods for calculating BMR. First is Harris-Benedict equation, which is common for general use. Second is Katch-McArdle equation, which is more precise and ideal for athletes. Understanding metabolic age can motivate healthier lifestyle choices by focusing on internal health, not just appearance. It helps track progress and set realistic wellness goals. Here's how to integrate our template into your practice. Step 1. Access the template. Open it via the Use Template button in the Carepatron app, or download a fillable PDF version for print or digital use. Step 2. Distribute or use the handout. Give the chart to patients or clients so they can assess their metabolic age using body fat percentage and BMR. Step 3. Explain the calculation process. Assist in measuring body fat and calculating BMR. Explain how to apply the Harris-Benedict or Katch-McArdle methods for accurate results. Step 4. Discuss and set goals. After determining metabolic age, help individuals plan strategies, like diet and exercise, to improve their BMR and lower their metabolic age over time. A metabolic age chart is a practical tool for evaluating internal health, offering insights that support personalized fitness and health planning. It encourages proactive lifestyle changes to promote a younger, more efficient metabolism. You can learn more about topics like the metabolic age chart in our guides library on our Carepatron website. Visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.